Hi there, young explorers. Today we are going to uncover the fascinating world of fossils. And have you ever wondered what clues they hold in our planet's history? Did you know about that? See, the fossils are what? Fossils are basically the remains or traces of ancient plants and animals that lived millions of years ago, right? And they form when these organisms get buried under layer of mud, sand, or other materials. So over time, minerals from the ground replace the organic matter, and it turn out to be a stone-like structure, which we know as a fossil, right? And there are different types of fossil, right? But we will not be diving in to that today, but we will be watching over some of the fun facts that I will be showing you about this, right? Because the journal basics are required for this, knowing about this our fossils, right? So let's see for this. So there are some fun facts about this fossils. So there is the oldest known fossil which is over 3.5 billion years old, right? And fossils can be found even on every continent, even Antarctica as well, right? Which shows that once at a time there must be some of the organisms which are living in Antarctica as well, right? So not all the fossils are just bones. Some of the fossils are even the impressions of the leaves, even the shells, or even the poop, even, right? So, this is a fun fact about it, right? So, now I will show you who basically search, you know, paleontologists are the one who search for these fossils. So they are the scientists who study fossils. They dig carefully into the places where they think fossil might be found, and each fossil they discover is like a piece of puzzle, right? So they have to solve it that, and which help us to understand what life was like long time ago, right? So these were the things regarding the fossil, the basic information regarding the fossils. So you can even start your own fossil collection as well. Look for the interesting rocks that you find nearby, shells, or even you can visit a museum as well, right, to see a real fossils over there. So really, who knows what ancient stories you might uncover with it, right? So thanks for joining us on this fossil adventure, the basic fossil adventure. Remember, each fossil tells you a story about the past, which helps in learning us more about our earth, and it's an amazing story, right? And an amazing history. So keep exploring and discovering it, right? So this is all for today. Bye bye.